Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we unveil the top-notch best brake pads for Ford F150 4x4 that guarantee unmatched stopping power and performance. Stay tuned to upgrade your ride's braking game. Automobile dashing away. Number 1. Raybestos Element 3-inch brake pads are an absolute game-changer for Ford F150 4x4 owners. With their unmatched stopping power and durability, these pads deliver the confidence needed for any adventure. From smooth city roads to rugged terrains, they flawlessly adapt, ensuring a safer and smoother ride. Maximize your truck's potential with Raybestos brake pads, the ultimate choice for superior performance and reliability. Upgrade now and experience the road like never before. Number 2. Z36's phenomenal truck brake pads are a game-changer for Ford F150 4x4 owners. Unparalleled performance, precision engineering, and unbeatable stopping power. These pads transformed my driving experience, providing ultimate confidence on the road. The durability is exceptional, ensuring long-lasting reliability without compromising safety. Z36 knows brakes, and they've nailed it with this product. Upgrade your ride today and witness the remarkable difference Z36 brake pads can make. Don't settle for less when safety is at stake. Number 3. Introducing Bosch BC 1414, the ultimate brake pads for Ford F150 4x4. These pads are pure perfection, delivering unrivaled stopping power and precision. Say goodbye to brake fade and hello to confidence on the road. With Bosch, safety meets style effortlessly. Upgrade your truck's performance today and experience the difference. Unbeatable quality and reliability in a compact package. Bosch is a game-changer for any Ford F150 owner. Don't miss out on this exceptional upgrade. Number 4. PowerStop Z36, unleash unstoppable braking power. Fire rocket, rev up your Ford F150 4x4 with these game-changing brake pads. Dominating the roads with jaw-dropping stopping performance, PowerStop leaves competitors in the dust. Engineered to handle the toughest terrains, it delivers unrivaled control and safety. Upgrade your ride now and experience the adrenaline rush of precision braking. No more compromises. PowerStop takes you to the next level of confidence on any journey. Number 5. Introducing Detroit Axle's game-changing brake pads, engineered to perfection for Ford F150 4x4 owners. Unleash unmatched stopping power with these gems. Seamlessly blend safety, durability, and precision in one impressive package. Your daily drives just got a whole lot smoother, thanks to their outstanding performance and reliability. Trust me, upgrading to Detroit Axle brake pads is an absolute no-brainer for all F150 enthusiasts out there. Unleash the true potential of your truck today. Okay, hand stop sign collision. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the best brake pads for your Ford F150 4x4, it's essential to prioritize safety, performance, and durability. After reviewing the top options available, we can confidently recommend product name as the ideal choice. Its outstanding stopping power and reliability make it a solid investment for your truck's braking needs. Thanks for watching, and we hope this review helps you make an informed decision for your vehicle's braking system.